Quick video on two stocks that are feeling some pain this morning. Number one, CCIV, Churchill. They just announced a deal with Lucid Motors, and guess what? The stock is down over 30% pre-market on the deal. And they announced the merger with Lucid Motors. So why is that? Why, with good news, would the stock be down so much, you might be asking? Well, think about everyone who was long that stock. Think about all the longs in Churchill. Everyone on Twitter, everyone on StockTwits, everyone on YouTube, FinTwit, they're all saying, this is so good. They're going to merge with Lucid Motors. Shares are going to go to 100. They're going to go to 200. And everyone and their mother, brother, cousin, we're all long the stock. So if everyone's long a stock, what is the market going to do? It's going to punish them. Why? Because there's no free lunch in the financial markets. If something seems too good to be true, guess what? It probably is. And that's why the stock is really down. Yes, the valuation wasn't what they thought, but really, it's really just the pain that the market's giving all the longs who bought at $50 or $60 a share. That's crazy. You should be selling that news, or you should be limiting your capital exposure in the options market, like I was talking about doing long debit spreads. That was actually last week. So not even now. You're holding on for dear life, hoping and wishing the stock goes back up. That's not a good strategy. And the second stock, Palantir, PLTR. I call it the planters, like the nuts. Why? Look on Twitter, look on StockTwits, look on YouTube. Cathy Wood, everyone buying Palantir, everyone long PLTR, everyone. That's all I see. It's changing the world, Peter Thiel. Well, look at the insider selling on PLTR. It's insane. Everyone's selling. All the insiders, you know who they're selling to? That's right, you, retail. And Goldman Sachs is even upgrading the stock last week, trying to get the shares to go higher just so those insiders can sell at higher prices. I mean, if you don't think Wall Street is full of crooks and manipulated, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. So everyone's buying the dip in PLTR, and guess what? It keeps going lower, because where's their max pain? Lower. If you bought the stock at 30 a share and now it's 25 a share and then it's 20 a share, what are you going to do? You're going to panic. You're going to be like, oh my God, I'm losing money. You're probably going to panic sell. And that's what's causing that price to go lower. So how far can it go? I think probably 18 PLTR is maybe the next support. Maybe it holds there. But you really have to figure, everyone is long these stocks. You can't be a sheep and just follow the herd. You got to think, where's the most pain? Don't play your hand, play your opponent's hand, just like in poker out there. So if you're looking to short stocks, I mean, just look what stocks everyone's long. I mean, there's a huge list. Tesla, Churchill, Palantir, I mean, Square, PayPal, all the Bitcoin ETFs, Mara, Riot. Everyone's long those names. So those names are going to see the biggest selling pressure, right? You want to follow the other side of the herd, right? Be independent thinker. Don't follow what everyone else is doing. If nobody loves, energy stocks, no one's talking about them. Kramer's saying short energy, it's the biggest short ever. That's the time you want to initiate and get long those names. So just a little food for thought. There's no free lunch in the financial markets. I hate to say this with a smile on my face, but we needed some kind of reset, because there's just too much dumb money out there with all the new retail traders and retail crowd out there. And, it's a learning lesson if you were long and you got caught, but, lessons have to be learned. It's better to do it small than to do it, with $1 million account and feel, a ton of pain or blow out an account. So let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.